In this video, we will talk about Python dictionary. So dictionary is also a collection data type that is used to store key value pairs. So sometimes we have key value pairs type of data, and in Python for such data we can use Python dictionary. So how it is different from list, tuple and set? So Python dictionary is unordered, changeable key values pair that do not allow duplicate values. Okay, so it does not allow any duplicate values. So let us see how we can define dictionaries in Python. So let me create a dictionary. Let me name it bio. Okay, let me name it bio, my biodata. Okay, so here also we use curly braces, as we use curly braces to define Python sets, and similarly we also use this curly braces here to define dictionaries. But here under this we define key value pairs. How we define key value pairs? Like, let me define my name, then colon, then Gurmeet Singh. Okay, and then the next key, let's say my age, that is now 22 and then city, that is Ludhiana, Punjab, India. Okay, so this is a Python dictionary. I can write like this to just make it look good. So this is a Python dictionary. Let me print it and print the type of it as well. Print bio and then print type of bio. Let's see. So you can see this is the dictionary and this is the class dict. Okay. Okay. You can check the length of the dictionary as well. len of bio. You can see 3, so there are 3 items in this particular key value pair, that is the dictionary. You can also access the items of the dictionary. Like if I want to access this name, then how can I do it? Bio, and then in square brackets I have to define the key. So every item, like in list, tuples, we have a unique index for each item. Likewise, key in this case is a unique index for each item. Okay, so bio at name. Okay, so bio at name, it should print Gurmeet Singh, my name. Okay, because it is the value of this key. And similarly I can find the value of age or city as well. Okay, let me just show you that as well, age and city. Okay, so we access the values in Python dictionary using the keys. Okay, let's say if you want to access, let's say if you want to know what are the keys in the dictionary, then you can use the keys method on a particular dictionary. So bio.keys, so it will give all of the keys. You see, dict underscore keys. This is a particular type of Python object. Okay, so this is an iterable object. We'll figure out what are iterables and how we can, loop through them later on this video series, as we'll understand for loop and various other things. So name, age and city, these are the 3 keys that is there in this particular dictionary. You can also use the values method to find out what are the different values. So you see Gurmeet Singh 22 and Ludhiana, Punjab, India. So these are the values of this dictionary. And I already told you that duplicates are not allowed, because if as I already told you that key is the unique index of a particular value in a dictionary. So if you will have duplicates, let me write age and this time different value 21. So you see it does not print the first value of age, and it just only takes up one particular so duplicates are not allowed in Python dictionary. So I told you one way using which you can access, that is the square brackets notation and then key method, but there is another way as well, that is the get method. So bio dot get, and then as an argument you can provide the key, so both will give the same result, Gurmeet Singh, Gurmeet Singh. I also told you the keys and values methods. So there is also an item methods, bio dot items. It will give the dict underscore item object that will further contain the tuples made like this with key and value combination. So let me add my college name as one of the key value pairs here. So how can I do that? I have to define bio, and then the key name is college, and then I can simply write equals to and the value, that is Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College. Okay, and let me print bio now. And you can see now it has 4 key value pairs: name, age, city, and college, Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College. Okay, so this way you can add a particular key value pair into a dictionary. You can also add multiple key value pairs in a dictionary at the same time using the update method. So bio dot update, and then here I am using some, let's say, college also. College, one key is college, and then I'm writing the college name, Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College, and then I'm also adding one more key, let's say SGPA, semester grade point average, that is 9.04. okay, now let me print bio again. So now I did 2 key value pairs at the same time, college and SGPA, using the update method. Now let's talk about removing items from a particular Python dictionary. So you can simply use the pop method here, bio.pop, and let's say I want to remove this age key value pair. So I just write bio.pop age and then print the bio. You can see now the key value pair age 22 is removed. So there is also another method, pop item. Let's see what it does. So you can see it removes the last element, or you can say the last key value pair that was inserted in this particular dictionary. So before Python versions 3.7, it just removes a random item from the Python dictionary as it is unordered. So that's why it is never recommended to use pop item method. You can always use pop to remove a particular item from the dictionary as you require. There is also a clear method to make the dictionary empty. So that's all about Python dictionaries.